Hey guys, welcome back. Today is a good day. I do like when companies keep their promises, but I also like that you guys came back to watch all of this happening before our eyes. Therefore, an appreciation, like, and comment is always welcome. We will touch on two major topics today. Number one is messaging, including WhatsApp, basically a how-to guide, how to use it guide with your Galaxy Watch 4 and 4 Classic. Number two is YouTube Music, how to get it, how it works. Are we in for a treat? So let's do this. So let's be very pragmatic today. Let's say you just received your Galaxy Watch 4 and you're kind of setting it all up, and you have a friend. The friend is called JP, and JP has an iPhone, sadly but true, but JP is already texting you via WhatsApp because iPhone and Android, you know, that's the way it goes best. So what's happening when you basically receive a text via WhatsApp from somebody else and you have nothing installed yet? Your Galaxy Watch 4 will receive a simple notification, and voila, that's what it looks like. In order to respond, you have 6 different options. Number 1, voice assistant. Number 2, scribble, emojis. Number 4, keyboard. 5, go to your phone to complete this action, basically do the rest on your phone in order to respond. Number 6 is a predetermined response. So of course you want to reply to the text and you choose the option you want to go for, whether that be scribble or keyboard, and you want to tell JP what an awesome dude he is, and voila, that's how we do it, that's how we roll, and all goes back to his WhatsApp application on his iPhone. But then there's one thing. You go through your day, you're setting it up, and you kind of want to go say thank you to JP, and then there's one thing you notice: the message is gone. The message is no longer available in your notification list. And what now? How to go back to JP in WhatsApp? All you need to do is download one application. It is called Messages for Wear OS, and it looks like this. Here you can see JP in WhatsApp right away. So you hit the reply and start basically your thing. You want to tell him how awesome he is and how good looking, what a good looking dude he is. And that's how we do, and that's how we go about WhatsApp, by using this application and the full integration of WhatsApp in Messages for Wear OS. Let's quickly touch on Outlook for all our business peeps out there and see what the application looks like and what happens when you open a notification or simply an email. And yes, sadly, I sent myself already 2 messages in order to be able to show you what it looks like and what options there are available for you to respond. Just to be clear, for any notifications or messages that pop up on your watch, it's up to you how you want this to happen. It can be silent, it can be messages with sound, vibration. It's all customizable, and what you want to see on there, it's basically up to you. Okay, so let's go back to Outlook. I did send myself 2 messages earlier. It will ask you to open the app when you go into the notification, and it basically looks like this. And the actions you can take from here on are, well, basically you have to swipe left for archive, reply, and more actions. So let's go to reply, and you can see 2 options available here: voice reply and predetermined messages. So let's try and use one and see what happens. Okay, all done, all sent, and this is what it looks like for our business peeps out there. Okay, I hear you, I hear all of you. Yes, YouTube Music is coming up now, and yes, we all been waiting for this. There's one really weird thing. When you go in to your Play Store, when you go into your essential apps, your featured apps, your audio, streaming audio, and what have you, it's nowhere to be seen. It's not advertised, so you have to physically, or voice assistant like, search for it, and then it will come up. Hey, just wait. Yes, you. Just wait 1 second. Before you do all of this on your watch, there's a couple of things you need to know before, and I don't want you to have any surprises, so stay with me, please. So once you downloaded the application to your watch, it will basically ask you for your Google account you usually use, and that is basically there to sync up with your phone. If you already use YouTube Music on your phone, it will kind of sync it up right away. But this is step number 2 after the download, of course. No, step number 3 after looking for it, download, then it's the Google account. You will then see a whole bunch kind of familiar options, really. Discover mixes, your likes, the music you liked, and that is if you already use YouTube Music, of course, super mix and new releases. However, the problem here is it is all empty. There's nothing in there, and the reason being is that it is not a streaming application. It is YouTube Music as of today is for downloads only, locally stored on your watch. That's how it works as of today. So if you download anything, all of this, what I've just shown you, will be empty. Therefore, a good place to start is basically your playlist, your recent playlist, stuff you listened to already. And when you go in there, you can basically simply download it, your recent playlist and playlists you have already configured, or basically just press download for mixes and super mixes and see what pops up for you. It is a recommendation after all, unless it is your pre-configured list. So once you've downloaded all of this and you go back into your application, into your YouTube Music app, you will see your downloads are basically right on the top as a list coming up. Whatever your playlist is called, whatever you've done for your super mix, it will appear there. The time has come. Now the time has come and you want to listen to any of these playlists, and you will notice when you go in, first thing you will notice, it is shuffle only, which means it is basically looking for songs to play randomly. So I couldn't see a playlist in terms of songs and predetermined songs I want to listen to. It is only shuffle available. That's number one. Number two is that you will need your earbuds. I have the Galaxy Buds 2 connected. You will not be able to listen to this via your speakers on your watch. Again, Spotify is the same. You have to have headphones in order to listen to your YouTube Music. So the choice is basically all yours. You have Spotify, you have YouTube Music, although I have to say Spotify has one advantage, and that is streaming. Streaming is available in addition to downloads. You obviously need a premium subscription. I think you need a subscription for YouTube Music anyway to have all of this, but Spotify has that one single advantage, and it's basically up to you now, and see how it all goes down for you. Let me know though. And hopefully this was helpful to you guys. Make sure to subscribe for more Galaxy Watch 4 videos. I will not leave you hanging. That is my promise to you. In return, I ask for like, comment, and subscription. Subscribe to my channel, and then off we go. I like to have like-minded people surrounded, and that is pretty awesome. I think you are awesome. Thank you for watching. Until next time, I miss you. Peace out.